2.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym here today to talk to you about one of our variations on our dumbbell front raise exercise. This is a dumbbell front raise into overhead, okay? So we're gonna start with our feet a little bit closer than shoulder width apart, and on your dumbbell front raise to overhead position, you're gonna start with your dumbbells a little bit in front of your body, right like so. So right resting on the fronts of my legs. Now from here, I'm gonna start by initiating into a front raise, okay? So same cues apply as with our dumbbell front raise. I'm gonna focus on keeping my core tight, not leaning back, and making sure to emphasize the front of my delts. Now when I perform this exercise, I'm gonna go straight up into an overhead position, okay? So I'm gonna show you front and side. We're gonna start dumbbells in front of my legs. I'm gonna go straight up into my overhead, and then back down, really enforcing that eccentric, placing that load on the fronts of my delts. Just to demonstrate from the side, again, I'm gonna go straight up into an overhead position, and then back down, okay? Now, other coaching cues that you can use, progressions, regressions that you can use. If somebody's really struggling with this movement, instead of continually coaching them on the technique of the exercise, try either lightening the weights, because this is gonna be harder than a regular front raise, or have them use plates instead, again, to use lighter weights. If somebody's able to perform this exercise very well and they're looking for a progression or a more advanced option, oftentimes we'll use a barbell front raise to overhead to demonstrate for you with our PVC pipe. Again, I would start barbell resting fronts of my legs, I go straight up in my overhead position, and then come down. And if you want to make it even harder from there, you can either load weights, but most folks are going to want to start with an empty barbell, or you can widen your hands out almost into a snatch grip position and perform that exercise right like so. It's going to give it a little bit different feel. Anyway, give those coaching cues a try. The next time we do dumbbell front raises,